All right, so Secretary of State, the website, usually you have to pay $1. You have to pay $1 to search, but then if you order or register, they waive the $1. But this, I believe, is for tax purposes, for business entity search. So anyways, it's free to search, and so I just searched Ruby Realty, and then I spelled out limited liability company instead of just doing LLC, because that's like more common. It says it needs to be available, so I said start filing, and it took me over to Northwest Registered Agent, where I have used this before. I used it up north for Lindsay Williams Realty. And so what I'll do is I'll get a DBA for Ruby Realty, and then hang on, I have to focus. So there we go. All right. Continue. Member is a me. I'm going to use their address, so it's a service. They pay for that, blah, blah, blah. DBA, I'm going to file myself because it's a way less than that. Let's see. And here we go. Submit. Thank you for your order. Okay, so finalize. We just need to verify a few details about your business, and then you can hit the ground running. Confirm your address and other filing details. Add optional rush processing. Choose additional services. So registered agent. So this is cool. So this shows you like this is the address that will technically be my business address. That way I don't have to use my personal address. I don't have to have an office, right? I get to operate remotely. How cool is that? All right, so now it'll take a couple of days for them to process with the state, so I don't have the LLC yet. And then I'll have to register, get an EIN number, and there's a lot of other, other things to go. Just want to make sure all of this looks good to me. And it does. Let's see. With standard processing, we'll submit your paperwork June 16th, the latest. We'll submit your paperwork tomorrow, guaranteed with Rush. Fast turnaround, just 150. I'm not in that big of a hurry, so I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to let it happen. EIN, tax ID, so I'm going to have to do that. You have to have that for your business banking, for a lot of things. But again, I am not going to pay the extra to do those things because I've done it before and I know how to do it. LLC operating agreement, don't need that. So these are just extra things I don't need. Submit, here we go. Okay, so Ruby Realty Limited Liability Company, LLC. It was not intentional for it to be that way. Shit. But that doesn't matter, right? Because you get a DBA, and so you can fix that. But nonetheless, Ruby Realty is on its way. So your business identity is waiting. They're completely free with Northwest Service. What do we get? We get a domain name, a professional email, a business phone number, and a website and hosting. So I'm going to check into that. I'm going to make a different video for that. Thanks for watching.